G'day DIYers. Well, we've come to that stage now that we're grouting up these 12x6 tiles. I'm just checking the lines for a bit of glue here and there. The odd bit of plastic from the clip. The owner, which is my labourer, he's carting my stuff down. He's the best labourer I've ever had. So look out, you young fellas, because he's 20, no, he's 74. So look out, young ones. You might have met your match. No, it's been a nice bathroom to do. Once I clean up that floor, I'm going to do it in a very light grey. Yeah. And now it's been decided that that main floor is going to be tiled in the same tile. So I come back in about a week, about 2 weeks time, and we hit the floor. It was originally just going to be like this, all around the bath and that sort of thing, but the bathroom floor is starting to scream out and go, hey, what about me? What about me? So all good. I just haven't got quite enough water in my grout. I'll put a bit of water in it, mix it up a little bit, just a little bit runnier.
Just check that Thursday the 22nd. Yep, we'll pick them up on the Thursday, yeah. That'll work for me.
That's a bit better. That's better. It's another beautiful day on the Gold Coast as usual. All you people that live in a cold climate, I feel for you. But I'm not really sorry. It'd be too crowded here if you all came. And the traffic's getting bad now.
Can I pick up this mat and take this mat out of here for you, mate?
Yep.
Thank you. Yep. Thank you.
Your 12x6 tile is a little bit harder to do DIYs. I don't recommend it if you haven't tiled before and you're doing it, you're doing your first bathroom. I don't recommend using 12x6 tiles, but they sure do look good when they're on the wall. Okay, we'll see you again soon.